There is a little concern about what Toma token is and what Toma point is. If you come to BitGate, you see Toma token 0.30130. And if you come down, you have Toma points 0.3055, which have already been mapped. If you come to gate.io, right at this very point, you see the token credential is issued based on the current total supply of 100 billion. I told you that. And the actual total supply of this token is 1 trillion and the conversion ratio is 10. So the question is, what is Toma and what is Toma point? The difference between Toma point and Toma token, plus a few comments that I have in my previous video, plus price prediction. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you come to gate.io and you read this statement very well, you discover that the initial total supply of this token was 100 billion. And we now have 1 trillion. Why? At the conversion ratio of 10. The issue is before now, it was not Toma token, it was Toma points. If you come to BitGate right here, you discover we have it clearly stated on BitGate. Right now, you will be having Toma token, and the price at pre-market is 0.30123 on BitGate. But before, it was Toma point. Look at it right there. So if I click right at this very area, and then you come to coin overview, which is very important, you have this total supply 100 billion in line with what we saw on gate.io. Take note, if you go back and you click on this very Toma, okay, if you click on Toma, and on Toma right here, if you click on coin overview, right now you are seeing what? 1 trillion. So before now, it was Toma points with 100 billion. But right now, it is Toma token with what? 1 trillion. So this is the difference. So before now, it was Toma points, but right now it's Toma token. So what did they do? If you look at this very area right here on gate.io, which is very, very important, you see, this very statement let us to know the conversion ratio that they use to arrive at 1 trillion. So the conversion ratio is 1 to 10. That means for every 1 Toma point is equal to 10 Toma token. So what that means is if you do for every 1 Toma point equal to 10 Toma token, it means that if you have 100 billion of Toma points multiplied by 10, you are going to have 1 trillion Toma token. This is how they arrive at 1 trillion Toma token from 100 billion Toma points. So before now, it was Toma point, but right now is Toma token. So that clarification have to be made. And that's the reason why I think the price of this token will come down a little bit compared to what we are seeing on pre-market. And I've done my price prediction before, which still remain the same. I am still looking at if the entire 1 trillion is in circulation, 1 trillion token is in circulation, this is the price you should be looking at. You should be looking at 0.402, which will give us a $20 million market capitalization at this very point, as you can see right here, and to 0.406, which will give us a $60 million market capitalization. That is if the entire 1 trillion Toma token is in circulation, okay? Since the market have said the total amount that is going to be in the hand of airdroppers is 77%, that is 30% airdrop plus 47% that have already been given. If you look at that and then you do 77% of 1 trillion. So if you say this very amount is going to be in circulation, for example, as initial circulating supply, and you multiply this by 0.000, that is 402, we should be looking at this very market capitalization, and between 0.4 0.406, which will give us $46 million market capitalization. This is what I'm personally looking at right now, and this is my personal opinion. And from here, you can tell what your token is going to be. Okay, you can tell what the value of your token is going to be with this price prediction. This is within 24 hours. Okay, I'm looking at this very value within 24 hours. That is 0.402 and 0.406 within 24 hours of listing. This is where we should see the market to be, and this is very important to all of us that is on this very airdrop. Don't expect much from the team. Bring down your expectation right now. And let me quickly go to the few comments I have in my immediate last video. We have this question from Barnabas. My question is about depositing time, 8 p.m. That is UTC plus 8. You are correct, okay? And UTC is coordinated universal time, which is +1 for what? That is West African time, which means if you have UTC plus 8, if for example it's 12 noon, you have to add +8. And in this very case, you are arriving at 8 p.m. Nigerian time for deposit for Toma token. This is very important to all of us that is already on this very airdrop. Take note. And then the next question I have right here is this very one, which is, please, what's the difference between Toma and Toma point on Bitget? I already explained that. The Toma point was what the token was at 100 billion total supply, and right now it is Toma token at a conversion rate of 1 to 10, which give us a 1 trillion total supply for Toma. That is the 100 billion multiplied by 10 is going to give you 1 trillion. And then the next one here is Maxwell Bros. I am on good too without giving. I can't really understand this equation, but irregardless of your allocation, just with that price prediction in the range of 0.402 and 0.406, do that and bring down your expectation. Don't over expect from the Toma team, please, so that you'll be on the safe side. And then the next question here is from Prince. Prince is asking, I have staked my tokens. Please, am I safe? Yes, of course, you are safe. One thing about staking is it reduces the initial circulating supply. So if a lot of person are staking a particular token, what that also means is people will not have the opportunity to sell off initially or immediately when the token is listed on an exchange. It means the token have capacity of moving upward. However, when you want to stake a token, you also look at the APY, that's the annual percentage yield. And with the annual percentage yield, you will know whether it is suitable for you or not. And if it is not suitable for you, don't stake, okay? So I am not advising anyone to stake, but if you feel like staking, there's no problem. I have staked some coin before, for example, Menfi and also my GOAT token. And this is very important. It is safe to stake, okay? It is a mechanism to reduce the initial supply. And the next question here is from Victor. I love your analysis. Thank you so much, Victor. The next question is from Mustafa. I really love your analysis. I raised my hope high on this very airdrop. Now I am beginning to lose hope. Mr. Mustafa, don't lose hope. The only thing you can do right now is to reduce expectation from the Toma team, bring it down, and expect something lower a little bit, so that if something go up, you'll be very happy, instead of expecting something very high, and when something goes down, it will be very, very discouraging. So bring down your expectation a little bit. The next question here is from Legit, which is a little bit off from this very topic. Bro, Abeg, what is wrong with Blum? All my Blum point gone. 114k Blum gone. What you need to do right now is, I believe the Blum is not gone. What you need to do is you go to that three dots, okay, at the top right, and reload your app. Now, if it did not work, you go back and restart your phone. If it did not work again, off your phone for about 5 minutes, on it again, you will see your Blum point intact. Nothing is wrong with your Blum point. And if you're not on the Blum airdrop, you need to join it right now, because I believe personally that the Blum airdrop will definitely pay and you don't have to miss out. Link in the description of this very video. Check it out. This is very important, guys. Know the difference between Toma and Toma point and the conversion rate that they use. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you want to join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. If you want to watch my video on Pulse airdrop and how to go about it, the quest, check this video right here. It will help you. And if you want to know how to trade crypto from beginning to advanced level, check this video right here. It's going to help you as well. Thanks for supporting this channel.